Alright, hey guys, here we have the other Kmart S23, this time first generation. Again, acquired this from another collector, like most of my other fans, actually all the other box fans that I have. This time in the baby blue finish. I don't know if that's the actual name for it, but that's what I'm calling it because it's pretty much what it is, or sky blue, whatever. Really do like the blade design of these. I know some people really hate it, but I kind of like the squared off look of the blades. The blade hub is kind of cool how it's actually an open vent design. Unfortunately, it doesn't really provide a lot of structural stability of the hub itself, but it's cool, so at least it has that going for it. Like the last one, this one is pretty minty. It has a slab broken off where you'd expect it the most, right next to the cord. So, not really going to complain there. It's not like you really notice, especially on the back. The back grill is slightly yellowed. The front grill is, if it has any yellowing, it's very little. You know, I mean, it's not like a pure white, but it's not bad. Anyways, let's start off on low. I think the tag that was on the bottom of the cabinet came off. Yep, there it goes. Okay. Well then. Yeah, so that's what was getting kicked around in there. Yeah, these thicker cabinets really push the air more outward. That is really, really annoying. Just when I think it's done, it keeps going. And let's go to high. Oh, it's stuck up in the top right corner. Kind of sucks that got ripped up. I was hoping that wouldn't happen. My cabinet's a little crooked. Alright, and let's do spin down. Interesting that it got stuck on the back of the cabinet as opposed to the front of the grill or something. Alright, anyways, there's the S23. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.